we are shocked that this thing is with the public when it is not with us. And the threshold for such a thing is known. Whenever an impeachment motion is to be brought to the Assembly, it has its own process and procedures. But I tell you for free that not a single step has been taken about it. Secondly, the proponents of these lies are particularly people from the national leaders, our own leaders who have been behind the scenes and also in front of scenes who have been doing this.
It is not even in our minds because we have not seen any loophole or any point that forces us to do that. So I'm sure that I want people of Isiolo to understand that we are 15 of us here and we stand here to say there's nothing like impeachment.
There is deliberate action and deliberate effort by some of our elected leaders, especially our national leaders, to cause instability in our county government functions, especially in the county assembly. This message should be very clear. We are not in the business of fighting each other. We are not in the business of taking seats and hammering each other with it. We are not in the business of fighting. As at now, the only language we understand is developmental language, and the only politics we understand is developmental politics.